everyone. So today what we're going to do, this is our first look at an equation with a variable. And this doesn't even really look like your typical equation with a variable, but I just thought we would start off nice and easy. This has a variable, an x, a letter. A letter stands for a number. It's kind of like a placeholder. And people actually often use this kind of math when they are party planning or budget planning, or they're like decorating. Oddly enough, you actually use this math. You just may not be aware that you're using this math. So how this looks different is we would often say, like when you see a typical math question, you're going to see something set up where it looks like 12 plus 4 equals. We're used to seeing that. That's actually still an equation. This side is equal to this side. It's the same weight. It's saying 12 plus 4 equals, so actually let's just do math, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? Just put this in a different number or different color. 12 plus 4 would equal 16. Well, on this side of the equation is the number 16, or the equal sign. On this side of the equal sign are numbers that if you add them together, they also equal 16. That's an equation. It's one side is worth the same amount. So when we have something that looks like this, x equals 12 plus 4, what we're actually saying is everything on this side is going to be weighted the same as this. So x is going to equal, so if 12 plus 4 is 16, in this case, x would be equal to 16. So this is not even an equation where we have to move anything around. We don't have to really do much more with it than we would just do in a normal sort of math question. But for the first time, you're going to be looking at something with a letter in it, and you're going to be thinking, what do I do? What is this? It's saying, instead of what is 12 plus 4, you're saying x is 12 plus 4. So that's all today is. It's just starting to get used to it. It's like a little peekaboo. Hello. What is this magical letter and what does it do? It represents a different number. And I remember when I was a kid, I was like, I'm going to memorize what A is worth and what B is worth and what X is worth. And I thought that they were always worth the same amount. And they're not. They can be worth something different in every math question you do. So that's the unfortunate part, is that it's not like X always equals 20 and like Z equals 21, right? Like every letter can represent a different number. So today, when we're going to go over the questions in class, this is all we're doing, is we're taking the idea of a normal question, the way we normally see something, and instead of just having equals blank, the blank is actually going to be replaced with a letter. And so it's saying X is equal to that. So let's give it a try. Let's see how it goes.